Imagine filming as clouds of smoke from forest fires bear down on your town, threatening everything you know. This man calls to God for help.
Dios, Dios.
It's wild, he says. We just have to get out. And thousands have. As the blaze across Malaga province enters its sixth day, 2,500 people have left their homes. Many have reached makeshift evacuation centres, including the most vulnerable. We're waiting to see when we can go back, this woman says. Much will depend on the efforts of the firefighters. They have lost one of their men already to this blaze. Now soldiers have been sent to help, but some are calling for more boots on the ground. I don't see enough deployed personnel, says one firefighter. Some may see it differently, but that's how I see it. They are trying to control the spread from the sky too. Planes collecting seawater from the coast, popular with tourists, to extinguish the fire inland. Helicopters are helping as well. Nearly 7,000 hectares of forest have already been destroyed. Habitats for precious wildlife. You can hear animals in this nighttime filming. Vets are calling for emergency supplies to help the injured. Wildfires aren't uncommon in southern Spain, and climate change is driving more frequent extreme events. But here there could be a more immediate human link to the destruction. Authorities believe the fire was started deliberately. They are investigating. Tessa Chapman, 5 News.